Here we go. Yeah, it's really strange how they've just got one operator. Yeah, so they have one operator running the ride, literally doing everything. I always thought that they always needed a minimum of 2 people to run, but I guess not. So yeah, here we go, backwards. Here we go. Oh! 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 Helix, 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 helix. Go backwards ride on a double looper, much more intense that time. I don't know if it's just because it's more towards the back, but yeah, you really feel it coming out. Just literally the last little bit of coming out of them loops, you really do feel, and obviously that bit of the first drop as well, you do really feel kind of the intensity of it. So yeah, really good. I enjoyed it more actually on the back going backwards. Could I do it a number of times? Probably not, but yeah, really worth doing. And yeah, getting the footage, and obviously riding backwards on the coaster is always a good thing, isn't it? Right then guys, next one. Okay, here we are. So we're on the front row of the twin looper, and just actually getting into the car itself, the train itself. I've noticed that there's actually right at the very back a space for you actually to go backwards. So that must be so intense. So the plan is to get this film right now and then get back round and do it backwards. That's if it opens. But yeah, oh my god, I cannot believe you can actually go backwards on this. That must be so intense going through that double looper. You know, I was a kid when I first went on it back in American Adventure days, so I'm not too sure if they used to do that originally or not, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to, if we can get on there. Oh, that's really cool. So look, they've got a GoPro mount right at the very front there. That's interesting. It's a shame that I can't add it to there. So I've actually got that mount on it here right now. So that'd be really cool if I could mount it onto there. What I might do is once I go round, come back round and ask him if I can mount it onto the front and get a POV that way. That'd be really good. Right, here we go. We are off. Let's see if it rides like it used to.
I podczas kursu proszę nie wystawiać rąk.
So these restraints don't actually cover you up at all. They're literally just there, just a kind of deterrent really to get out. So I reckon it's kind of the G-force really that's keeping you in. Becky's sitting this one out. She doesn't really feel like going on this one, so we'll see. But yeah, a little GoPro mount at the front. I wish all parks did that and literally just like clamp it on. That'd be great. So here we go. Will it ride exactly the same as I remembered it? I remember it being really, this first drop being really scary, obviously back when I was a little kid. Obviously slightly different now, you know, with the different roller coasters that I've been on. So here we go. Gonna get off the lift chain. There we go, and we're off. Woo! First loop. Second loop. They're just literally coasting now to the end with a helix, double helix. There's your first. helix, 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 helix. A little bit more there. And into the first brake run. There we go. So yeah, you don't really actually leave your seat whatsoever in that. It's quite interesting that literally you just come straight into the inversion, straight into it, without even actually moving whatsoever. So yeah, in the station, we'll try and find out if we can actually attach the GoPro to the front. That'd be really good. Right, speak to you all in a bit.